a little thing that you can use for your beginning students to kind of have fun with, or if you're advanced, you can do it extra fast and come up with a nice catch on the end. It's just a left hand reverse swing over your head so the baton is moving to the left as it goes around. And then you're going to put it behind your neck and right onto your right elbow. You're just going to let it go and it goes onto your right elbow. So it goes around behind your neck onto your right elbow and it pops up flat. And it's just a nice little interesting thing that you can use and go right on to some other flat thing. But beginners like to try it because it's woo, exciting and fun. Just make sure they pop it up so it doesn't cook, you know, the whole tooth thing.